everyone, my name is Ambica and welcome to another poetry reading session with me. The name of the poem I'm going to be reading out to you today is Love. Love. So this is a little bit of a sad love poem, and here goes. Strange are the ways of love, for with my injured words I strung a song together for you, in hopes that it will help me get over the pain that you gave. I think very few will be able to deny the concept of love and the strangeness of the concept of love. So that's what this poem really talks to. That you sit and you've been injured by certain words, by someone. Take those words and you string a song together for this same person to get over the pain that they gave. And that's the strangeness of love. Do let me know what you think of this poem below in the comments. And I look forward to another poetry reading session with you. Till then, take care. Thank you. Bye.